Good morning, everybody. We're down here at Fort Morgan this morning. Beautiful weather. There was a chance of rain. It's held off the past couple days. Couldn't ask for better weather. Sun's shining, it's warm. I'm not freezing for once, so that's a plus. We're gonna see what happens today, so keep on watching. We are hooked. Swims right at us. All right. That's a decent fish. I'm on the other side of the bar right now. I was actually reeling in one of my other rods. It's got a big old wind knot in it. I'm not exactly sure what happened with that, but I'm gonna have to take some line off of that and redo it. And we have us a keeper Pompano. Good deal. Easy, buddy. If I can get a grip on this dude. There we go. Need the pliers here. Not a bad way to start the morning. Got cut off once. Got a wind knot on one of my other rigs. But this guy should be a keeper. We're gonna get a measurement on him. And he is. So, he goes in the cooler. There we go. We got another on. He played with it for a long time. It's probably going to be something fairly small, and that's actually not a bad whiting. He's probably keeper size. He's definitely going to be 10. So decent little whiting to add to the Pompano I just caught a little bit ago. We'll just see how the day keeps going. Keep going at her. All right. Hooked up again. Might have found a little pocket of whiting over there. That's not been out very long after I caught that first whiting. And we got another keeper. We'll go toss him in the cooler. Every time I go to reel in another rod, I'm getting a hit, so maybe I should just keep casting and reeling all morning. That seems to be the ticket right now. And that's another keeper whiting. Not bad. All right, now if you're trying to figure out how I got my rod set up and where I'm at with them, basically what my setup is today, I've just walked down the beach and I've located a sandbar that is really close to the shore here. It's maybe 50 yards off. So my rig here on the left is well over the bar. The one here in the middle is on the bar, and the one on the right is inside the bar on this side of it. I've not got much of a trough here to fish, and so I'm just putting that far right rod right on the other, or on this side of the sandbar. Line's gone slack on me here. All right, hooked up again. Good deal. And we got another whiting. He's gonna be close to that 10-inch mark, but we'll get a measurement on him. And if he's 10, we'll keep him. Like I always say, there are no size limits on whiting, but anything under 10 inches, there's just not a whole lot of meat. And I put them back, let them grow, and I'll keep them when they're bigger. And he is just gonna hit the 10-inch mark. I would probably throw him back, but I've got family coming in from Indiana this weekend, so I'm gonna put on a fish fry for him. So I'm keeping him. I was walking down the beach, so it looked like a rip had started over there, and I wanted to check it out. And of course I hook up while I'm doing that. That is the theme of the day. Walk away, catch fish. And it's a whiting. He's a keeper. I moved spots just a minute ago. Found a nice little hole here in this first trough, and I am hooked up already. Another nice keeper whiting. Good deal. I think we had a bait stealer. Nope. He stayed on. This one's gonna be borderline to keep. I actually got shrimp in my hand to put on the other one. We're gonna put him back. He's got on these rigs. They're a little big for these small whiting. They're 2-aught, and obviously you can catch small whiting on them, but they're not an ideal hook size for whiting. Typically, if I'm really targeting whiting, the biggest hook I'm going to use is a size 1, not a size 0, but just a size 1. And typically I will go smaller than that, maybe like a 2 or 3 or 4. Whiting just don't have the big mouth to be able to get over these hooks, and that's why they steal your shrimp off the hook when they're small like this and your hook's a little too large for them. Hooked up again. I got a feeling this hole is going to be packed full of whiting. Just maybe not of any size. Smallest one I've caught in a long time. Slack, and we're hooked up. All right, this is another good whiting. Well, maybe not. That sinker was really digging in. Another small one. He's gonna go back. They can trick you when that sinker digs in. But you got to realize when you're throwing a 4-ounce sinker, that adds a 1/4 of a pound to every fish you catch, so you feel it sometimes. Alright, I decided to put that big rod up and throw the little lightweight stuff out for the whiting right here in this hole. Smaller hook, lighter tackle, a lot more fun to catch these whiting on. Just a friendly heads up, don't be this guy. Don't bury your truck in the sand where you're not supposed to park. All right guys, that's gonna wrap up today's fishing trip. Ended up keeping 6 whiting, the keeper Pomp, which is always a plus. One of the best tasting fish you can get in the surf, absolutely, hands down. This is a good sign. That means the surf's becoming a lot more active. We'll start having more species of fish coming into the surf. The weather's really starting to improve, so keep watching. Again, thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, subscribe, like the video, and until next time, I'll see you later.